Hi, my name is Anouk and I'm a customer success engineer at Deeploy. Today I will give you a tour of the team level of Deeploy. Deeploy consists of three levels: the team level, the workspace level, and the deployment level. The team level is only accessible by team admins. When team admins log into Deeploy, they end up on this team overview, which is a summary of the most important information on the deployments that are running within the entire team, so across all workspaces. The team overview gives a summary of how many deployments are running, what was the activity in the last 24 hours, were there any errors and any alerts triggered. And in the lower part, we can actually see a registry of all the deployments within this team. You can sort by, for example, the least compliant. We can sort by the most alerts and also by most events happened recently. And we can get a quick summary of all those deployments. So we can see the deployment name, in which workspace it's located, which type of deployment it is. So is it a managed deployment, a registration deployment, or an external deployment? We can see the risk level, the progress on compliance, and the latest events, and also when it was last updated, and who is the owner of this deployment. From here, we can directly click on any deployment and dive deeper into those details. But for now, let's have a look at the left-hand side, because next to the overview, there are also different functionalities on the team level. The first one is the logs, which contains all the events that happened within this team. Events can be deployments that are created, alert rules that are edited, or tokens that are created, for example. And you can see exactly in which workspace it happened, by whom it was executed and when, and also click on it to get even more information. Next to the logs, we can also manage our team, so add new users, change rules and roles, and also manage our billing. Lastly, the team level is also where team admins can set up integrations between Deeploy and other tools in the AI ecosystem. There are a lot of different options, such as using SageMaker as a deployment backend, deploying models directly from an MLflow registry or a Unity catalog, and also set up an integration between Deeploy and the Dutch algorithm register to get all the necessary information really easily in the register. Next to that, Deeploy also integrates with all the different cloud platforms, Git providers, and has also different integrations for example, Slack notifications or deploying Docker images. All right, this was the summary of the team level overview. Stay tuned for more videos on different parts of the platform.